Here I am sharing my test drive experience with the Honda Elevate. I have a mixed feeling, and I would suggest if you have already finalized a car, don't test drive the Elevate unless you really want to purchase it, as it will confuse your purchase decision just like it did it for me. To begin with, I will appreciate what Honda has done with the looks of the Elevate. A clean design, headlights in the right place, and it has got that SUV stance right. The bonnet is massive, and when you sit inside, you get an edge-to-edge view of the bonnet, which makes the drive so easy. Coming to the drive, I am really impressed by the way Honda has balanced everything. I always had a soft corner for the 1.5 iVTEC engine, and it still brings that drive-happy character to the Elevate. The engine is engaging, but somehow the cabin isn't as silent as I was expecting it to be, especially with the engine noise creeping in. The suspension setup is again about balance, although it is tuned a bit towards comfort, but it cannot be labeled as cushy. Honda has gone all the way out with the ground clearance at 220 mm. I guess it is one of the highest in the class. The Elevate maintains the clean look inside the cabin as well, although the interiors of Creta and Seltos find majority takers, but I personally liked the clean and classy interiors offered by Honda here. Don't mistake this for a limited feature list, as Honda has done a good job in providing all the essentials you will need and then some more. From a good infotainment system to wireless charging, in most places Honda has done enough to tick the boxes but didn't go extravagant. Example, you will get a sunroof but not a panoramic one. Creta and Seltos owners will find a lot more stuff like this, but one place where the Elevate is extravagant is with space. Right from the cabin to the seats and then the boot space, Honda won't disappoint you on the space. Although my mom had some inputs where she wished the rear seats were a bit higher, which would give the rear passengers a good view ahead. While I was on the features, I missed on the ADAS part. Honda Sensing can have a video of its own. In my personal experience, it's a hit or miss in Indian driving condition, especially when it abruptly interferes and brakes. I had a first-hand experience of it during the test drive where the system braked with all its force during a U-turn. The salesperson was smart enough to turn it off from there. On the other hand, it seemed to be a perfect hit with its input during adaptive cruise control. I just loved it. Overall, the Elevate is a fantastic car and it should be in your list if you have a good Honda service support in your locality. In my case, where I like to work on my cars and I have my friend's reliable workshop where most of the jobs are carried out, buying a Honda creates a problem for me as off-the-counter parts availability is a big issue for Honda. Though Honda makes fairly reliable cars with robust engines, but when they need maintenance, getting critical spares and verifying them can be a task. If you have a good and supportive Honda service nearby, then the Elevate should be up there in your list. I guess that sums up my test drive experience with the Honda Elevate. So that's it for this video and I hope you guys have liked it.